I have this problem that can't be sorted out on your website, so here I am giving you a call to explain. Oh, you're not the right department? What a surprise. Hi, yes, my name is Claire, and this is my problem that I already described to someone else at your company. Oh, you're not the right department again? So I need to do this again? Cool. Sound familiar? Something that really grinds my gears is cold transfers. Ugh. If you are cold transferring your customers to another department within your organization, for the love of God, please stop. If you think this doesn't apply to you, let me tell you why you're wrong. Hi folks, my name is Claire Cunningham. I am a customer service expert, founder of The Customer Connection, and I am here to help you improve your bottom line by putting the focus on the customer. Regardless of what your organization does or what the problem is that has come through, if you are aiming to give great customer service, then you should never be cold transferring a call. Ever. So what is a cold transfer? Glad I asked. Before I enlighten you, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss out on valuable customer intel. Best case scenario, when a customer comes through your phone lines or web chat or text line, they have a first call resolution. That means that they call through and the first person they speak to immediately can solve their problem. Woohoo! However, if that's not the case, then they have to be transferred. And you have two options. There are cold transfers and warm transfers. A cold transfer is when a customer comes through, explains their problem to a rep, and the rep goes, I can't help you, and just sends them to another department without checking if that's the right department or telling them the situation beforehand. How annoying is it when you call through to a place, explain your problem, and then they transfer you to someone else, and you have to explain the problem all over again? God forbid this could happen another time. It definitely has to me. I have really bad luck sometimes. This is the worst, and we've all had it happen to us. It is so annoying. However, a warm transfer is when a customer calls through to a representative. The representative hears the problem, knows which department it needs to go to, and calls through to that department first, explains the situation, and introduces the customer, which now already knows the whole situation and who the customer is. Beautiful. How much better is that? Customer didn't even have to see the stuff behind the curtain, and that is the best. Staff don't waste each other's time by interrupting and bouncing someone around, and the final person who does take the call has a much better experience with the customer. You need to make it an easy experience for the customer. If you can't assist them, then make sure you get them to the place where they can be assisted. I would love to know your thoughts or horror stories on cold transfers and warm transfers. Feel free to leave them below in the comments, and as always, be sure to like and subscribe for more fun and practical content.